back to my channel. I am going to be creating this simple everyday look for you guys, and I haven't done a makeup tutorial in a long time, but I am digging this look so far. It's so like subtle and natural that definitely I want to share with you guys, so let's go into it. First off, I'm going to be starting off with the One Size primer. I used this stuff throughout LA and it was clutch because makeup is hacked. And I'm going to go right into some skin tint. And then I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty. Everybody has been raving about this, and I can assure you this goes a long way, and I can say that it does wonders. I'm not a big fan of really big coverage, so this one is definitely a must get. This is in the color 8. So I'm more like a, I guess a light. I thought I was a medium, but they were saying that I'm like a light neutral. So look how glowy it makes my skin look. I'm like so impressed with this, and never going back to any heavy foundation for sure. And I'm gonna go straight into just eyeliner. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be creating a half liner look. Like I'm not gonna go full like eyelid, but I'm just gonna go halfway. So I hope you guys can see. That's it. I don't know how to describe how to do this, but I pretty much just like squint my eyes and drag it across, and then right when it's about to hit like the lash line, I just kind of like open my eye a bit and then just like kind of like just glide it off, and surprisingly it like works out. So this is what it looks like. And then after eyeliner, I'm just gonna go in with some concealer. I'm using the Kosas in 3.5. This is actually my second bottle, so I am in love with this concealer. I would say that it is super creamy and hydrating. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just like quickly spray it with some setting spray, because I feel like this helps with like non-creasing. To always look up when you do it, so that it helps with the creasing as well. And then I'm gonna go in with brows, or I'm gonna go use some mascara first. So I'm not gonna be doing any lashes just because I have my eyelashes like lifted. So lashes don't really work right now, but I definitely like my lashes with this look just because like I don't have any eyeliner in the inner, so it makes my lashes stand out more. So I'm gonna quickly curl them. And I'm going in with the Essence Lash Princess. This is one of my holy grails. Like I've never gone to any other mascara. This just seems to make my lashes look very long. I like to let them dry a little bit, and then I'm going to go in with the second coat. I'm going to give you more of a close-up of already what they look like, and I am so impressed. And look at like the difference. Like I'm shook right now. Yeah, it's like amazing. Like look from far away, it looks like I have like really like big lashes, and then even closer up it's like even way bigger. And then I'm gonna go in with brows. I'm using the Anastasia brow pomade. I don't know if anybody uses this still, but I do. And then I'm going in with my Tarte pencil. Alright, got it. Super easy. I'm just gonna use my Benefit brow setter just to set the brows so they don't fly anywhere. Next, I am gonna go in with some, I guess you could say, contour. And I just want to shout out to Merit that sent me 2 products. I came with this little bag, which is so cute, like so sustainable. And they have gotten me the Merit Minimalist. This is in the color Buff. So usually this is supposed to be for concealing and covering, but I've seen a lot of people use this as a like contour stick, so I'm gonna give it a try. Hopefully this is my color. It might be a little too light, but we'll see. But definitely a super smooth application. Like, I'm in love. Mario blush. This is in the color Soft Coral. I'm just gonna put it right on top of the contour parts. And what I really like about this is it comes with a brush on the end. And like, how cute is that? Go in with my Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Wand to highlight my face. So I'm gonna go here, here. I'm just gonna use my fingers to dab it out. The kind of almost final step, I'm going to be using this Glam freckle pen just because I want to be extra today. But I found this on Shein and I'm amazed of how this is. Like, it gives me like super fake freckles. So it looks like this in the beginning. You just dab it everywhere, and then right before it dries you kind of just like, it's kind of like a stamp, but you press it in. And like, look, it's like so natural. I'm like in love with this. And my last and final step is going to be lipstick. So I also got this from Merit. This is the signature lipstick. I got this in Lavenue. And it's kind of like this dark, kind of reddish color, but look how like, oh my gosh, this color is like amazing. I normally don't wear this dark of lipstick, but I'm gonna give it a go and see, maybe like kind of not put it on as much. But it's great for fall. So I'm not gonna put it fully on, but I can already tell like such a pigmented light color. No stuff. is setting spray. And here's the final look. And definitely a big shout out to Merit for sending me some gifted products to try out. If you guys want to try to test it out for yourself, definitely I will leave a link below. They definitely don't disappoint, and I find that their products are super good quality, so go get yourself one.